Very good morning to all. It is a pleasure to be with you, from my channel Economy in Finance. I hope you are doing well and ready to learn new things in this important field. Today we will talk about no-code low programming code. Let's get started. Visual programming, also known as end-user programming, today also known through platforms low-code programming, platforms no-code programming is a form of programming that allows end users to create their own programs, without having to learn a complicated programming language. They may have some, or no code involvement, in its development. It is based on specific programming languages and tools, which simplify the software creation process. This form of programming is popular among people who need to create custom applications for their work or personal needs. Applications built by programming for end users can automate repetitive tasks, improve workflow, and increase efficiency. How does programming for end users work? It is fundamentally based on specific programming languages and tools, which are easier to learn than traditional programming languages. These tools usually include graphical user interfaces, and visual programming languages. End users can create applications by selecting and configuring pre-made elements, such as buttons and text fields. These elements can be pre-configured with simple programming commands, which are activated when clicked or entered. Some end-user programming tools also allow users to modify, or create new programming commands to further customize their applications. In the end-user scripted applications can be just as powerful and functional as traditional scripted applications. What are the benefits of programming for end users? Programming for end users has several advantages. First, it allows users to create custom applications that meet their specific needs. Programmatically built applications for end users can also improve efficiency and reduce labor time by automating repetitive tasks. Furthermore, it is an effective way to save costs, since it eliminates the need to hire professional programmers to develop custom applications. Finally, it can improve productivity by allowing end users to work more efficiently. What are some examples of programming tools for end users? There are various end-user programming tools available on the market. Some of the most popular tools include Microsoft Power Apps, which allows users to create custom mobile apps, and Zapier, which allows users to create automated workflows. Other end-user programming tools include AppSheet, which allows users to build custom apps using Google Spreadsheets, and Airtable, a collaborative database platform, which allows users to create custom applications. Also, there are many other end-user programming tools available such as Bubble, Notion, Coda, and many more. Each tool has its own unique features and benefits, allowing users to choose the tool that best suits their needs and abilities. What are the programming challenges for end users? Despite the advantages, programming for end users also has some challenges. One of the main difficulties is that these types of tools can be limited in their ability to create more complex applications. This means that end users may face limitations in the ability to customize, and in the functionality of their applications. In addition, end-user programming can require a learning curve to learn to use specific programming languages and tools. Although these languages are easier to learn than traditional programming languages, they can still be challenging for some users. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell, giving a like, and sharing with friends and family, so they can benefit from our economic information and our financial tips. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.